All right, this is my carport, which I enclosed with some barn doors. This is the inside. And the way I decided to do this, rather than having a garage door, because it was too expensive, because I have a 12-foot span by 9 feet tall, I decided to go with strap hinges. Now, you can't see the strap hinges right now, but you can see the bolts. Here, let me show you the top one better off. Now, behind this 2x6 is a strap hinge, and it's bolted right through the 2x6. Okay, I have one there, and I framed it all the way around with 2x4s, pressure treated, 2x6 across, 2x6 across with strap hinge, and of course the brace to keep it square. And I did the same on this side. Now I put a handle with a homemade mechanism for locking purposes, from the outside. I got the little security bars to hold it in place. I have one on top just to hold the one that I don't use as much, the one that's fixed. And I'll show you what I use. Rather than using wood, I went for PVC boards, and I'll show you on the outside. Okay, so this is the way it looks. It's PVC boards. They're lighter, they're cheaper, so I decided to go this way because it's going to be a lot of weight on those hinges. So this way it won't be as heavy. And of course I added some wheels to support the weight. And that's the way it looks when I first put it in. I just tacked it in, but then I went back and finished it off with some screws all the way around. And if you notice, I still got to finish the edge, but because it is a strap hinge, it will stick out, so you have a gap on each side. So you have to close that space there. So all I did was, let me go back inside. Let's go on this side. You can see it better. All I did was put a board this way, and I tied it in on the inside with OSB board. If you can tell, see how it closes? The seals right against it. I could put some weather strip in there if I want. That's to prevent any wind or any snow from coming in. Close that up once again. Alright, so I hope this idea might help you out. Still have to do a little touch-ups here and there. Finishing up the top. Tell me what you think. This was definitely cheaper than getting a garage door. Garage door was over $2,500. This cost me about $800 in material. Of course, my labor. All right, thanks for watching.